Welcome back guys. What an amazing pump by NIO, but the question is what is going to happen next. Also we'll look at Tesla stock today. Let's start with the NIO daily chart. So we have regained the 10.5 support that was shared before over here. Immediate short-term target can be around here, $12.5. Look at this, the action around here, almost over here also. And if I go back, look at this in July 20, this action that happened over here. So yes, immediate short-term target is around $12.5. Not only this guys, if I drop the Fib levels from the recent high to the recent low, look at this, that 0.236 level is sitting at 12.6. so yes, again $12.5 can be one of the first take profits. Also if I zoom out, I want to show you something. Look at this trend line I shared before. Also look at all these rejections that happened over here, and then over here also. The question is that will we go till here and see another rejection at around $15 or $16? So yes, let me show you one more thing, that this is actually quite possible that we might see $15-16, provided that we continue to see good financial results which will keep pumping the market. However, let me drop the Fib levels once more and I want to show you something important. Look at this 0.5 level currently sitting at $16. 0.5 level is known as the star of the gold zone. So yes, we can see a full pump towards this 16.5 mark, and then we might see a retest of 12.5. After that we will reach the earnings which is going to be announced on 8th November. After that the action will depend on how good or bad the earnings are. But yes, in extreme bullish case we can see $16, there is no doubt, but we don't want to get too excited, so we can start taking profit from these levels, 12.5, 14.5, and then 16. 3 take profit levels, or once price hits $12.5, you can take out your initial investment and let the profit run through as much as it wants to go, so at least your trade becomes risk free. In terms of the daily RSI, we are at 34. When we were below 25, that was the time I mentioned that this is an interesting level and an important level to enter the NIO trade. So given that current RSI is sitting at 34, yes, there is a lot of scope towards the upside. We can definitely go up in terms of RSI and in terms of price also. Let's quickly head over to the 4-hour chart, and once again look at all this drop that happened while the RSI was flat, giving us a bullish divergence. Hence we saw a good pump, and given this pump has happened now, $8.5 over here is another support level that we have recently found. Let me know in the comments, do you think that NIO will go to $15 or we are heading back towards $8.5? Also, if you like this video, it will be amazing if you could like, subscribe and share. Let's move over to the Tesla daily chart. Again, very nice pump from the 200 level that was shared earlier. Look at how nicely we touched this level and see a very strong bounce. Currently we are forming a double top pattern, whereas the RSI has gone up quite a lot. So yes, some bearish divergence is forming. In order to nullify this bear divergence, it is necessary that the price keeps continuing towards the upside. So this 230 level is one of the resistance. After that we have the 250, which I hope we will see 250 soon, provided the Nasdaq and the S&P keeps pumping because of good financial results. So yes, we can see 250. Also if you look over here, the 200 moving average in red is available at 256. So yes, this area is very interesting. We can see a full move towards the upside. And guys, if I put up the Fib levels from the recent highs to the recent lows, I want to show you something very important. Look at the 0.236 level sitting at 229.65, and that is one of the reasons why this is in resistance. And also look at this over here, the 0.5 level is sitting at 257, so around 250 mark. This is known as the star of the gold zone. So yes, if we see a good pump, we can see this price level. So yes, overall the market can pump a lot. However, I want to show you something very important. If I switch over to the fear and greed index, we are in the greed region now, currently sitting at 57. Just 1 month back we were at 17 in extreme fear. So you can see how the market dynamics are changing, and these are the times we have to be careful. I think the market maker is setting up the market very nicely. They are pumping it now and they might drop it on the 2nd of November, so we have to be careful. As you know, 2nd of November is the interest rate decision. So yeah, keep that in your analysis. And as always, just a reminder that the market is extremely volatile. If you are actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.